guys, and welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. So for today's video, ang gagawin naman natin is isang Filipino classic spread, and this is cheese pimiento. So yes guys, today I am making cheese pimiento and I am very excited to share this with you all. Ito ang isa sa mga ihahanda ko ngayong medianoche or ngayong New Year. And normally dito kasi sa abroad, mga pika-pika lang yung mga pagkain, hindi yung masyadong mabibigat sa tiyan. And gusto ko tong gawin kasi I'm gonna be having a cheese platter, pero gusto ko meron pa rin siyang Pinoy twist. So, dun sa cheese platter na yon, gagawa ako ng cheese pimiento. So guys, let's get started. So guys, this recipe is very easy to make. And we don't require any cooking or baking at all. Pagsasama-samahin lang natin yung ating mga ingredients. And the ingredients that we need for our recipe today are, we have cream cheese. This is softened cream cheese. We have mayonnaise. Please use good kind of mayonnaise. We have a grated Parmesan cheese. Meron din tayong good quality butter. And this is softened butter, not melted butter. And gagamit din tayo ng processed cheese. Ano ba yung mga processed cheese na pwede nyong gamitin? You can use Eden or Magnolia cheese. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng shredded na cheddar cheese. Of course, our diced pimiento. Gagamit din tayo ng condensed milk. And guys, ito yung secret ko sa paggawa ng cheese pimiento. I'm gonna be adding crushed pineapple. This will cut through the sweetness doon sa mga cheese na paghahalu-haluin natin dito sa recipe na ito. And yung acidity ang magbi-bring ng flavor together. So guys, gagamit din pala tayo ng salt. And of course, pwede nyo siyang ipalaman sa mainit na tinapay or gagamit tayo ng mini baguette crisp or yung mga maliliit na toast. So guys, umpisahan na natin. So guys, let's start. And again, napakadali lang nitong gawin. So all we have to do is put all our ingredients together. Let's start with our cream cheese. Ayan. Softened cream cheese. And of course, our mayonnaise. And then, ilagay na rin natin yung ating processed cheese. So again, pwede kayong gumamit ng kahit na anong cheese na gusto ninyo. Pwede kayong gumamit ng cheddar. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng maalat-alat na cheese na queso de bola. Ito, Parmesan. I-add na rin natin. And yung ating butter. So bago ko ihalo yung iba pa nating ingredients, medyo imimix ko lang siya ng konti. Ayan. Just give it a good mix. Okay. Mayanan natin sa idin yung lahat. And then, of course, our pimiento. Yung lahat ng mga ingredients dito, hindi ko kayo mabibigyan ng mga exact measurements kasi yung paggawa nito is depende yung lasa sa palate ninyo. So, maglalagay na rin tayo ng ating condensed milk. Of course, kung gusto nyo ng medyo matamis, then you can add more sugar. And of course, our pineapple. And then, let's give it a good mix again. So, ayun na guys. After ninyong ma-mix yung lahat ng mga ingredients, we are basically done. And then, all you have to do is, pwede nyo na siyang gamitin right away if you want. Pero mas masarap siya kung i-chill nyo muna siya sa inyong fridge for maybe a couple of hours bago nyo siya gamitin. Kasi mas magiging malasa dahil mas manonoot yung flavors na nag-come together dito sa spread na to. So guys, after kong na-prepare yung ating pimiento, nilagay ko lang siya sa isang glass bowl and nilagyan ko siya ng cling wrap or plastic wrap right on top. Kasi ayaw nating mag-form yung mga bubbles kasi madaling masisira yung ating spread pagka ganon. So, yan. And then, i-chill ko lang siya sa fridge bago natin siya tikman. So, guys, after a few hours of chilling in the fridge, eto na, ready na yung ating cheese pimiento. Bango! And of course, it is tikiman time! So guys, it's tikiman time! Kuha lang ako ng ating baguette or cracker. And maglalagay lang ako ng konting pimiento spread. And again, like what I said, you can use it with pandesal, yung mainit na pandesal. Pero ngayon, dahil pika-pika lang tayo, ito muna. Cheers, guys! Perfect! The sweetness, tamang-tama lang. And nalalasahan ko rin yung secret ingredient natin, which is yung crushed pineapple. Napakasarap, guys. Very creamy ang ating spread. Isang subo pa. Ang crunchy ng ating baguette. Kaya, sana matry nyo din to at home very soon. So guys, before I end this video, I just want to give a few tips for a successful and yummy cheese pimiento spread. First, please use good quality mayonnaise, good quality butter, and yung gagamitin ninyong cream cheese, make sure it is softened cream cheese, and as well as your butter. Softened butter, hindi melted butter. And pag naglagay kayo ng inyong pimiento, make sure na dinrain nyo muna siya. And yung inyong crushed pineapple, make sure na dinrain nyo muna yung tubig. Both nung pimiento at nung inyong crushed pineapple. Kasi yung mga tubig na magdidrip doon, pwedeng maglatak yung spread ninyo. And pag hinalo siya ng mixer ninyo, hindi maganda yung kakalabasan. So, yun guys yung mga tips ko para sa inyo. And sana matry nyo din to at home very soon. And that's it for our video today guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating very easy cheese pimiento spread. And as always, if you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking and baking videos. See you guys again. Happy New Year! Bye!